Hi everybody, this is Fernando Martinez, Senior Content Producer here for Adorama, and today I want to talk about a running gun setup that I've been using with the Canon R5 C. I'm not going to cover the features of the R5 C, we already covered those in its own video and you can find the link for that down below. So to start off, I love to rig up a camera whenever possible to add as many accessories as needed. For this, I decided to go with the SmallRig Black Mamba cage for the R5 C. And the actual setup for it, I got to thank Cam Mackey, and I'll put his link down below. He built a perfect, very compact setup using the SmallRig elements. So the way I'm thinking about this setup is twofold. One, if I'm in a controlled environment, and two, if I'm doing run and gun. If I'm doing a controlled environment, then I can go with the setup I have right here, which is the Vespid primes from DZOFilm with the SmallRig follow focus. In terms of what prime am I using, it really depends on what I'm shooting. Usually we'd want to keep it around a 35 and whatever's necessary for the shot. As for the wireless follow focus, I'm using the SmallRig MagicFIZ, which comes in two versions, one with the hand wheel and the other one with the hand grip, which is the one I'm using for this specific setup. This allows me to have my hands on the run and gun rig and be able to move and also pull focus on the manual lens. Following with the theme of SmallRig, I decided to go with their VMount Battery, which provides power delivery through USB-C, which is helpful because it eliminates one more accessory to having the dummy battery, and you can still keep the Canon LP6 in there. And the R5 C specifically has a list of high-end features you can only unlock with external power. So the fact that it is such a small, very compact battery that can do that is great. Even though I love the LCD on this camera, I am a type of person that prefers the EVF whenever possible, especially in bright ambient. And for this setup, I went with the Portkeys Li3. Not only is it a very small, great budget option, but also has a lot of features to it like false color, vector scopes, focus peaking, etc. Okay, so now let's get into audio. So depending on the setup, sometimes we'll go with a DJI mic, which is what I have on right now, which is a lavalier microphone. For this, I have more of a on-camera shotgun setup with the Turnstile Task 500. It's a great, capable little mic that is lightweight, easy to carry with you, and does not require its own battery. And finally, let's talk about memory. Because I'm using the HDMI to run the EVF, I don't have the option to do an external recording. And also, I want to keep the setup as small as possible, so that means that the memory card that I use is very important. I need something reliable, and it's going to be able to run most of the settings. So for that, I went with the Prograde Cobalt CF Express Type B. And that's pretty much it, guys. I think this is a great, compact, powerful run and gun setup. If you have any specific questions about the gear you've seen here today, please click the links down below. If you have any questions about my experience using this kit, please leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to like, share this video around, and hit subscribe for more videos like this. My name is Fernando Martinez. I'll see you next time.